In this video, I'll show you how to create a group stage bracket tournament. A group stage bracket is a tournament structure that includes round-robin matches within distinct groups. In a group stage bracket, teams play against others in their group. The best teams from each group move on to the knockout stage. Here, they play in a single elimination style, where losing once means they're out. The last team standing becomes the overall champions. This format fairly tests teams over several games and makes the competition exciting as they fight for a place in the crucial knockout rounds. Setting up an online group stage bracket is straightforward. You can select the group stage format from the welcome screen. Or choose it in the settings section. There, in the settings section, you'll also decide the number of groups for your bracket. In the editor, you can easily manage and edit the participants of the bracket. You can manage the games and select the winner for each match. Plus, you can customize the bracket's design. When everything's set, start your group stage tournament by clicking the Start Tournament button in the top right corner. That's all you need to do. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!